Hi, Vic here. Welcome to this channel and this is another episode about product design. So ngayon, I will talk about design system. And okay, sulat natin. Ano nga ba yung design system? So, bigyan ko muna kayo ng examples ng mga popular design systems. So we have human interface guidelines na ginagamit ng Apple, material design for Android, and Fluent design system for Microsoft. Question is, why do these companies have design system? And ano nga ba yung benefits of having this? So I will try to answer this by defining what design system is. Okay. So nag-research ako sa Google and UXDesign.cc stated that a design system is the single source of truth that groups all the elements that will allow teams to design, realize, and develop a product. So from that definition, let's try to dig deeper on details of the explanation. So tulad ng lagi kong ginagawa, i-break down natin to into two parts. So based sa explanation kanina, ang design system daw is single source of truth. Single source of truth, and that groups all elements. So sulat natin, groups of elements. Alright, so simulan natin sa single source of truth. Ano nga ba yung meaning nito? So ang ibig sabihin nito, based from my experience, is ito yung agreement ng team. Yung documentation, sulat natin, documentation ng agreements ng team or yung wiki na tinatawag, agreement of what design guidelines to use, design guidelines. Yung design guidelines ay yung how-tos. Like parang kapag meron kang brand guidelines, ito yung paano gamitin yung logo, paano i-apply yung colors, etc. How-tos. Ano pa yung under nung single source of truth or nung documentation natin? Nandito din yung whys. Whys, or yung reason for using a design. Reason. A design. Ano pa? Under din ito is yung design language na gagamitin natin within the whole product. Or principles. Yung language or principles na to, ito yung sasabihin sa iyo kung ano yung brand na kailangan mong sundin or yung voice or use of words sa yung design, and then how visual design should look and feel. Okay. So marami pa tayong mai-add dito, pero I hope na nagagets nyo yung idea ng pagiging single source of truth nung design system. And now, let's move into the next one, which is group of elements. So, elements, meaning of elements here is components. So yung components natin is like, so this is design system is the library of components such as typography. Ano ba yung heading, subheading, or paragraph na yung style nun nung mga text na yun na gagamitin natin sa product natin. Ano yung style ng buttons and when to use them. Anong icons yung pwede nating i-apply, kung ito ba ay filled, outlined, sharp, right? We have here avatars, kung ano yung style ng avatars na gagamitin sa products natin. And ano pa ba? We have cards as well. Ano yung style or how will it look like? And marami pang iba. Basically, these are reusable elements, so it's quicker to build new products. So right now, we have single source of truth and groups of elements. And yung dalawang yun ay may isang goal. Actually, hindi lang isa yung goal nila. So, based from uxdesign.cc, it allows the team to design, realize, and develop products. So, sulat ulit natin. Allows the team and i-breakdown ulit natin para madaling i-explain. Sorry. Maingay. So, we have here design, realize, and develop products. Okay. So, quick recap. Design system is single source of truth that is group of elements or components that allows the team to design, realize, and develop products. Okay. If sabihin natin it allows the team to design. So, ang ibig sabihin nito is it allows the team to have consistent design. So, it's easier to decide of what to use. Like, we already have agreed on the design guidelines, kung ano yung gagamitin nating typography, buttons, icons, avatars, etc. So, it allows the team to have consistent design using existing components. And which is aligned to our design principles or language, and of course aligned to our purpose. Okay, your next one is it allows the team to realize. So what it means is it keeps everyone on the same page to or aligned. So san ina-align ng design system yung lahat ng team members natin. So first is what? It keeps the team aligned on what the team is building, on how to build the product, and why we are building the product. Okay. And last but not the least, it allows the team to develop products. So paano? For us product designers, it helps us communicate better with the developers. Communicate better with the developers dahil meron na tayong existing components which is consistent yung specifications natin. And dahil doon, mas magiging familiar yung developers natin on how things work. So that means it's a quicker development. Familiarity. What else? Okay. Alright, so na-define na natin yung design system. So, single source of truth na groups of elements or components, and it allows the team to design, realize, and develop products. So, ngayon, let's discuss yung basic use of design system. Ngayon kasi, design system is being used by companies to create massive amount of digital products. So, ipapakita ko yung, i-explain ko siya kung paano ginagamit ng companies yung design system in a sketch. So, simulan natin dito. So, let's say we have our design system here. System. And ang components natin dito are, we have circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. So this is our design system with these basic components, and our company or organization would like to develop vehicles. So ito yung product natin as a company, vehicles. Alright. So paano natin siya gagamitin to create products? So let's try to create 3 vehicles, and starting from the first one, let's say ang una nating vehicle is designed for farming. So if farming yung vehicle natin, ano yung posibleng maging design niya? So posibleng may malaking wheels, alright? And then big body. We have here square for the slot. Move lang natin to. Sorry, wag na nga. Nandito yung body. Another one. Body. Square. Okay. Alright. So, yan yung una for farming. And then, yung next one is, let's say, the next vehicle is designed for speed. So, basically, we will use rectangle, and then wheels, and then lagyan natin dito ng triangle for the aerodynamics, and then slot for the driver, right? So para siyang sports car. Okay, and then yung third vehicle natin ay designed for multiple passengers. Okay, so what I'm gonna design is let's use rectangle, wheels, and then let's duplicate these things. Duplicate. Alright, then we've got a train designed for multiple passengers. Okay, so explain ko kung ano yung nangyari dito. Alright, so I started by creating basic design system, and it is composed of basic shapes. And then I use this existing library to create multiple products or vehicles. Alright. And then yung design language is naipakita dito yung design language sa way na, for example, itong circle will be used on wheels, yung square or rectangle will be used as body, and then yung triangle will be for like yung sa car front, right? And by knowing those basic details, it allows me to build multiple vehicles. And that's how companies are using their design systems. The companies are using it to design multiple products for their customers. Kasi ngayon, sa product design industry, it is no longer enough to have a good quality product. You have to make sure that you are building the right product. So, speed is very essential. And these companies are reusing the components from their design system to build new design solutions. So, matetest nila and mapoprototype yung ideas nila ng napakabilis. So, yun lang. I hope you learned something today. That's all I want to cover for now. Thanks for watching. And if you have questions about product UI UX design, feel free to comment down below. And if natulungan ka ng video na to, na maintindihan ko ano yung design system, so please give this video a like and subscribe na din sa channel ko. Thank you and God bless.